Hi, I'm Rody, Business Development Manager for Triple Crown Construction.
My name is Will Drechtraw. I'm a project superintendent for Triple Crown Construction.
Hello, my name is Kurt Parasari. I'm a project manager at Triple Crown Construction.
Hello, my name is David Krause. I'm one of the project managers for Triple Crown.
As you have heard from our project team, as they've been speaking about how we would manage building construction and renovation projects under this new normal, they've been talking about how we have established operating procedures to account for the new COVID-19 OSSA standards during renovation and construction projects. We have also had our client partners in mind as they implement the American Hotel and Lodging Association Safe Stay Program for their guests. We have taken pride in our teamwork with client partner operations, but now there's a new added element to take into consideration that creates a new personal impact on each individual as they come in contact with. It is our goal to have our clients understand that our partner-grade philosophy is only growing to account for this.
Confirm all subcontractors have their own COVID-19 virus plan in place. Confirm that all employees, subcontractors, and visitors understand and comply to all PPE guidelines. To research and understand local coronavirus 19 guidelines. To understand and monitor cost associated with being in compliant with local Corona-19 guidelines. To understand the signs and symptoms of Corona-19.
We've included our hand washing stations outside the project and at various locations throughout the inside of the project so that employees and vendors can wash their hands as needed. We've implemented hand sanitizing stations at high traffic areas of the entrances and high traffic areas inside of the buildings and the projects that we're working on. We've implemented a check-in booth. The check-in booth will be located at a certain entrance of the project at which somebody would have their temperature taken and answer a few questions on a quick questionnaire concerning the COVID virus to ensure that they have not been exposed to the virus.
Hotel renovations are going to change in some respect. They're going to be more technological. And it's going to depend on the appliances that are installed. Currently, I would say, or I would think that we would be using our cell phones in a smart pay application where you're going to pay for your hotel stay through your cell phone. Also using RFID lock technology, and your cell phone can be used as your guest room key. Also foot switches to call for the elevators. And once you're in the elevator, a little bit of voice activated technology to tell the elevator which floor you'd like to go to.